learning animals for kids. Please like and subscribe. Flamingo. This flamingo has long legs.
Starfish. Other name is sea star. Jellyfish. It's really very soft. Penguin. I love penguins. They are amazing. Penguin. I love penguins. They are amazing. Bird. Birds have two legs. Bird. Birds have two legs.
Chicken. Chicken.
Deer. Deers are so cute animals. Zebra. This zebra is looking so amazing, wonderful. Dog. Dogs are friendly animals.
Fish. Fish.
Bear. Bears are wild, big, and so dangerous. Elephant. Elephants are so big and heavy. Bison. Bisons have 4 legs. Octopus. Octopus has many legs.
Cheetah.
Clownfish is the funniest animal ever. Crab. It's really bad.
The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child
Dolphin.
takes the nurse, the
It's
child
big
takes
but
the nurse.
it's friendly.
Hi ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the
Antelope.
cow. Hi ho the dairy-o,
Antelopes
the
are
nurse takes the
wild
cow.
animals.
The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat,
camel,
the dog takes the cat. Hi ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse.
Seahorse.
Hi ho the dairy-o,
It's really
the
like
cat
a horse.
takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi ho the dairy-o, the
Blue
mouse
whale.
takes the cheese.
Wow,
The cheese
it's
stands
huge.
alone, the cheese stands alone. Hi ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
learning animals for kids. Please like and subscribe. Flamingo. This flamingo has long legs.
Starfish. Other name is sea star. Jellyfish. It's really very soft. Penguin. I love penguins. They are amazing. Penguin. I love penguins. They are amazing. Bird. Birds have two legs. Bird. Birds have two legs.
Chicken. Chicken.
Deer. Deers are so cute animals. Zebra. This zebra is looking so amazing, wonderful. Dog. Dogs are friendly animals.
Fish. Fish.
Bear. Bears are wild, big, and so dangerous. Elephant. Elephants are so big and heavy.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there,
Bison.
there,
Bisons have 4 legs.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Octopus.
And on his
Octopus
farm he
has
had some sheep,
many legs.
E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Cheetah.
Farmer in the dell. The
Lungfish
farmer in the dell.
is the
Hi-ho,
funniest
the
animal
dairy-o, the
ever.
farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife. The farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
Crab. It's really bad.
The wife takes the child. The wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child
Dolphin.
takes the nurse. The
It's
child
big
takes
but
the nurse.
it's friendly.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow. The nurse takes the
Antelope.
cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o,
Antelopes
the
are
nurse takes the
wild
cow.
animals.
The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat.
Camel.
The dog